Hey y'all, I just wanted to make a quick video on a situation where if you ever can't open your hood or your frunk from inside the vehicle, on these new C8 Corvettes, there's a button right here underneath the driver's side headlight. All you do is hold it, the lights will flash, then you press it again, and then the frunk opens. So I just wanted to make a quick video on that. If you ever have an issue with opening the frunk from in the car, there's also a button right here under the driver's side headlight, right above the radiator. Just squeeze and hold it. The light flashes. Once the light flashes, you press the button again and it pops wide open. So I'm gonna show you again. Light flashes, press it, pops up, you're good to go.